Hi, it's me Saqib here, and I am a semi-professional photographer, and I am using my Canon 60D with 75 to 300 lens in my first lecture to teach you how to use a DSLR camera with basic setting of ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. So let's get start the video. And shutter plate, you can see a red mark with on our body and also on our lens. So we attach a red mark on both lens and body and fix and just twist a little bit and our camera and lens is fixed. You can hear a sound of click and our lens is fixed at our body. And here is a memory card slot. You can put inside a memory card and camera here. This is our battery slot. You can put your this is our battery. You can put your battery here. And this is our setting to go in manual mode, auto mode, aperture priority mode, or too much function here, but you can use auto if you are beginner. If we talk about the setting of ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. So here is my Canon 60D, and my object is a box Realme C2, which is in front of my lens. So here is camera and on off button. First we on the camera, sensor cleaning, and then this menu button. Here we see the ISO setting, and here is our aperture. F5.6 mean aperture is set on 5.6, and this is our shutter speed 1 by 60. So what does ISO mean? ISO basically mean the picture, the light comes in your picture. Practically I will show you first. Here is our object Realme C2, and I click a picture and my ISO is at 100. So here we click a picture. This is our shutter button where we click a picture, this button, and this is our image. So you can see the Realme C2 is very much darker because ISO is minimum, at its minimum stage 100. So ISO minimum 100 and maximum 6400. So this picture is click on minimum ISO, and that is 100, and now we increase our ISO and then we will see what will change. So here is ISO 100 and we increase to 1000. According to light condition, we will increase or decrease our ISO, and now we will see what will change in our picture after increasing the ISO. Focus and then click. Now we will see picture is slightly brighter than previous. C2, this one, ISO 100, ISO 1000. This is the main. After clicking a picture at ISO 1000 ISO, if you think your picture is still darker, then you increase your ISO more than 1000. So go to setting button, increase ISO to 2000, and then we click a picture. You can see it will more brighter than last one. ISO 100, ISO 1000 and ISO 2000. This is the main difference between ISO 100, 1000 to 2000. In short, if you shoot in a darker place, you just increase your ISO and your picture will become brighter to brighter. This is ISO. What does ISO work? ISO just increase the brightness in picture. Understand what does ISO mean and how to control ISO. If you go in a darker area or a night photography, you just increase your ISO and click a picture, so you will get a brighter image as you see it in your normal eyes. If you increase your ISO about 1000 or about 500, you will see a grain in your picture. Picture is brighter, no doubt, but grain comes in your picture. So some photographer and especially professional photographer not prefer increase your ISO about 100 to 200. Necessary to use flash while shooting in dark areas. You can use it anytime where you want, but good flashes are expensive in cost, so you can change your shutter speed to take your picture bright without increasing your ISO. So, what is the shutter speed? Let me show you the setting. Here is ISO. We first of all we decrease our ISO to take a good picture color, to take a good picture without grain. So we set our ISO 100 between 100 to 200. So 200. Okay, then here is our setting of shutter speed. You can see here is written shutter speed setting. This is the aperture setting. Now we will talk about shutter speed. So how much time you allow to your camera to take picture? As much time you give your camera to take picture, light will enter your camera sensor to make your picture bright clearly, and by this setting you will get picture of without grain, and without using any external flash you will get a good quality picture. So how we control this setting? Now my aperture is 1 by 60th. So first we take picture at ISO 200, and my shutter speed is 1 by 60th, and you will see a darker picture. And now we change my setting. First of all we go into setting, and I am decreasing my shutter speed to 1 second. I am giving 1 second time my camera to take picture, and now we will see a difference. Press shutter button, and after 1 second you will see my picture is much brighter than last one. Here you can see this one, last one. This is much darker and this much brighter because I will give 1 second camera to take picture, and in 1 second much light enter in my camera sensor, and my picture is more brighter than last one. Without changing ISO setting, my ISO is at 200. I am decreasing my ISO, and this I am set it to 100, and now I had ISO 100 and shutter speed 1 mean I am giving 1 second my camera sensor to take picture. Press shutter button and click a picture. After 1 second, now you will see picture is much clear, not much brighter, much clear because I am decreased my ISO, so picture is not grainy, good quality picture. This is last one, much brighter. This is at highest to 100, ISO 200. You can see a difference. Last one, this one, last one, this one, last one. This is brighter, this is much clearer. At ISO 100, ISO 200, and this is shutter speed 1 by 60. 1 by 60 shutter speed, 1 second, 1 by 1 second shutter speed, 1 second shutter speed. These two picture I click at shutter speed 1. Shutter speed 1 mean I give 1 second my camera sensor to take picture, and in 1 second much light enter in my camera sensor. You will see a difference. 1 second shutter speed, 1 second shutter speed. This picture is brighter because ISO at 200. This picture is little bit darker and in good quality because ISO is at 100. DSLR camera in manual mode, we learn all setting time by time, but if you are beginner, so I prefer you to go to your camera setting and turn it into manual mode. Press this button and rotate your dial and go to auto mode. My camera is in auto mode, so you have to do nothing in auto mode. You just have to on your camera, click your picture, and picture is very clear, good in quality. We have changed nothing. ISO, shutter speed, aperture. Just switch to auto mode and click the picture, and here is the result. You can see picture is clear, bright, and good in quality. So if you are beginner, turn on your auto mode and click a picture. You have to change nothing. ISO, shutter speed and aperture. You just turn on your auto mode and click the picture if you are beginner. Change ISO, shutter speed and aperture in manual mode time by time with us. We will teach you how to uh, change your ISO, shutter speed, aperture in detail and depth time by time. So this is our first lecture for you. I hope you like our lecture and keep remain with us.